Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm making this delicious dumpling noodle soup. It is a very cozy winter dish and it's super easy to make. First of all, we chop in a carrot. It doesn't really matter how you chop it. We're also going to chop some mushrooms. I'm using white and shiitake mushrooms for that Asian-like flavor, but you can use any mushrooms. We're also gonna need some spring onions and some kale. Once everything is chopped, add to a large pot the carrots, the mushrooms and the spring onions. Let that saute for about 5 minutes. Whilst that's cooking, you can chop the green parts of the spring onions, some garlic, and some herbs. I'm using chives and parsley, but you can use any herbs you like. If you like it spicy, you can add some chili pepper. Now I'm adding some edamame. The list with the quantities will be in the description box below. The kale. You can use any greens you like, but bear in mind different greens have different cooking times. So if you're using spinach, you might want to add this at the end. Add the spices and the Marmite that, as you can see, I should have taken directly from the pot. Give it a good mix and let cook for about 5 minutes. Now you can add the soy sauce and the vegetable broth. This one is homemade, but you can use water with a bouillon cube. If you want it to be extra creamy, you can add some tahini. Mix well. And once everything is hot, you can add the noodles. Once the noodles are almost cooked, you can add the dumplings. simmer for another 5 minutes. I added lime juice, but I forgot to film it, so if you like some lime juice, this is the time to add it. And once everything is cooked, you can add the herbs, the garlic, and the green parts of the spring onion. Mix well and serve in a bowl. And here it is. A cozy bowl of dumpling noodle soup that is perfect for the winter. Add some cute parsley and the chili pepper if you'd like it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up if you did, and see you in the next one. Bye!